HVAC Delta T readings can totally throw you off if your return or supply vent placement is off, especially in tight spaces where every inch counts. So, here's the thing, Delta T is just the temperature difference between your supply air and return air, right? But if your vent or hole, where air flows, comes from a weird spot, it can mess with those readings big time. Like, measuring too far from the coil or plenum means you're not getting real numbers because the air temperature changes as it moves through the ductwork. Always try to take your temperature readings as close to the coil or plenum as you can. That's where the air's freshest and closest to the real deal. It also helps if you keep your measuring spot consistent every time you check, so you can trust how your HVAC system is performing. And if you're stuck in a tight install where space is limited, maybe use specialized probes or tools designed for small spots. Don't forget to double-check your thermometer's calibration too, because even a tiny error there can skew Delta T results. The goal is to get reliable, repeatable readings so you know your system's running like it should without guessing. One of the most common mistakes with HVAC Delta T readings is taking measurements too far from the coil or plenum, which throws off accuracy. Fix this by standardizing your measurement location right at the coil or plenum every time. Another issue is ignoring how tight installs restrict airflow, causing uneven temperature distribution. Using the right tools and positioning probes carefully solves this problem. Finally, people often forget to calibrate their thermometers, leading to faulty temperature data. So make sure you regularly check and adjust your instruments for precise readings. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and stress. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with new clients and grow their business easily.